of the RCTS organised Blythe Tyne Rail Tour with the A4 near to Wormald Green. Five miles south of Ripon, Wormald Green lost its passenger service in 1962, and passing its abandoned platforms in the summer of 1963 was 60885. The road from Markington to Burton Leonard crossed the line at the north end of the station. Following the 4F was A3 60072 Sun Star. A further example of a diesel shunter employed on freight services, as D2063 of York Depot works a container from Starbeck to Ripon. A Newcastle to Liverpool relief passes Wormald Green, powered unusually by a Type 3 diesel. Passing the diesel south of the station, 60118 Archibald Sturrock heads a Liverpool-Newcastle service. Film from Wormald Green's signal box, a Peak D154 heads north.